Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Speed Queen Top Load washer. First, load your clothes loosely around the agitator, ensuring not to pack them too tightly. Overloading can hinder proper cleaning and rinsing. Next, add your preferred detergent. You can pour it into the dispenser or directly into the tub before adding clothes, depending on your model. Now, let's choose the right wash cycle. Speed Queen washers offer various cycles like Heavy Duty, Normal Eco, Delicates, and Perm Press. Select the cycle that best matches your fabric type and soil level. For instance, use Heavy Duty for heavily soiled items and Delicates for fragile garments. Also, choose your water temperature carefully: hot water for whites, warm for most colors, and cold for darks and delicates. Once your clothes are loaded, detergent added, and cycle selected, it's time to start. Ensure the lid is closed securely. Your Speed Queen washer will not operate with an open lid for safety reasons. Then, simply press the Start button. The machine will automatically fill with the correct amount of water for the selected load size and begin its powerful agitation, ensuring a thorough clean every time. After the wash cycle completes, remove your clothes promptly to prevent wrinkles and mildew. For optimal machine maintenance, leave the washer lid open slightly for about 30 minutes to allow the tub to air dry completely. This helps prevent odors and keeps your washer fresh. Regularly wipe down the dispenser and exterior with a soft cloth to maintain its pristine condition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.